Fiery Phoenix here, and today we're going to be playing some Agario. Well, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Loads of people say Agario, but it's, look there, agar.io. But I'm going to call it Agario, who cares? Sign in with Google. Okay. Sorry guys, let me just do this. Hello. Okay. Yeah, I'm called Jerkin Birkin. Apparently you're a big blob. And then you can get different skins or something. Yeah, look, skins. Then you have to eat the other blobs. Why does it say Aiden? That's not my name. That's my brother's name. Right. Okay, I just kidded. That is my name. But we need to be called Fiery Phoenix. 'Cause that's me, you know. And look, here's a little blob. Oh no, there's an eyeball trying to eat me. I mean, that's every day. That's a look. Oh my gosh. Always betrayed. I don't want to be your friend. No, Fly, you can stop trying to get me. Nope. I'm meant to team on Agario. You eat each other. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh, is that a Care Bear? Oh, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Yum, yum, yum. Ha ha. I eat him before you. Uh-oh. Quick. I need to go. I need to go, 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 go. Oh, look, it's a Care Bear again. I'm going to be embarrassed if I get eaten, but oh, I can eat him. Escape Peep the Frog. That's a meme. Dab, dab, dab. Will I get super dabbing skills if I eat you? That was Killer Clown. That's not funny. Guys, you don't need to worry about that or read stuff. Okay, what is that now? I need to eat you, sir. Or, what is it? I know what it's about, but please. Logan, Ash fan. Ash fan? Pokemon, you're a Pokemon fan? I swear he was... Oh, chocolate. I want to eat chocolate. Oh, no. You're not nice, you just ate me. Achievement unlocked. Short-lived. Or lived, sorry. Next skin, level 5. That was weird. Really weird. I can't get the Venus skin. I want the Venus skin. Ah! That sucked. Who is that? It's a bubble with a king's coat. Oh yay! I'm orange. Dun, 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 dun. Want a piece of me? Yeah, I do. Because you're bacon and an egg. I love bacon and eggs. I'm super fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Dun, dun, dun. Nope. I've done really good first round. Suck now. Gotta go fast. No, 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 oh. What's this? Dun dun dun. Haha, I can hide. Eat the dots and you'll be fine. Yum 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 yum. Benny the lizard. Don't you dare separate. Ooh, that's another thing to do in this game. You can separate to get people Pro's Revenge. Nice name. No. Apparently if you touch that when you're really big you explode. Don't want that happening. But I'm not that big at the moment. But that person is. Dun 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 dun. Why does that guy have a poop at the end of its mouth? That pineapple looks amazing. Oh, I want to get him. Oh, no, 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 no. You missed. See, that's how you separate. Dun, 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 dun. Nope. That's my mum outside there. He's moaning at my sister. Well, you might be able to hear. Oh, eat the snake. Eat the fly. Even though I don't know why she swallowed the fly. Perhaps she'll die. Dun, 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 dun. I'm coming to get ya. I'm coming. Okay. That was close. Yeah, this real one. And some up bone. Jelly. I like jelly. Jelly's nice. Eat the dots. Eat the... Who is that? Eat her. Dun dun dun. The fly. Come on. I need to eat you. Let me eat you. I think I can see you. You think I can see you? Come on. Just give up and go into my... Oh, thanks. Go into my mouth. Well, blob. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Let's go eat the dots. Nope. I don't want to go on that green thing. See, I'm doing really good now. That fly's tiny compared to me. Oh, look. Okay, you go there. We never met each other. Oh, yum, yum, yum. No. Oh, that was close. Now he's coming after me. Oh, he fed me. Eat the lizards, eat the lizards. Or shall I eat fly? No, please stop following me. Thank you. If I stay with him, he'll keep feeding me. Oh, I'll go for you. Nope. Oh my gosh, is that another Care Bear? No protein. You leave my protein. No protein. Got it right this time. Whoa. Oh no. Achievement unlocked. Sliding along. What is that? That was annoying. Oh, I can get my Venus skin. Yay. Now if we play, we'll have a Venus. It looks like a... Oh. It looked like a caramel cookie. Yum, yum, yum. Eat the dots. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry guys. Right. Whoa. Ah! Foxy. Is that you from FNAF? Oh no, Fox's great. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, yes. Why did I move? I could have ate him. No face, no case. Gary. Hello, Gary. How you doing today, Gary? How are your children doing, Gary? Are you okay, Gary? Dun 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 dun. Cookie. So look, Gary. Dun 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 dun. Score's 98. Oh no! That fox is way too big. Eat the dots. Come on, move. Team, hey, we got the same skin. I need to eat you. I could have got him. Could have got him. Yum, yum, yum. I saw... Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, that was such a dumb move. Get eating? Yeah. I shouldn't be the one getting eaten. I got eaten. Oh, no! Okay. Sorry, guys. That's enough for this video. And I see you in the next video. Bye-bye!